In the hidden corners of the mind, doubt often whispers with quiet persistence, eroding our confidence and sense of worth. These voices, subtle yet insidious, remind us of failures, magnify insecurities, and question our abilities. Confidence, however, is not a fixed trait, but a dynamic quality shaped by genetics, experiences, and the society we live in. Psychology and philosophy alike affirm that losing confidence is a common human struggle, but it is not permanent. Stoic philosophy, with its timeless wisdom, offers practical tools to rebuild strength and clarity. By embracing learning, gratitude, values, humility, resilience, and acceptance, we can recover confidence and nurture it into something unshakable. This journey is not about perfection or external validation, but about cultivating inner stability and courage. The following 6 reflections, rooted in Stoic teachings and illustrated with real-life examples, provide powerful guidance to restore confidence and live with renewed purpose. Let's begin. 1. Embrace learning and curiosity. Confidence thrives in a world of constant change, where knowledge expands endlessly and challenges arise daily. While no one can master everything, those who remain curious and committed to learning discover resilience and strength. Stoic philosophy teaches that every experience, whether success or failure, can become a lesson. By embracing learning, we transform obstacles into opportunities and broaden our perspective, which solidifies confidence. Education is not merely about acquiring facts. It is a lifelong journey of growth, critical thinking, and deeper understanding of ourselves and others. Marie Curie exemplifies this principle. Born into modest circumstances in Poland, she faced immense barriers as a woman pursuing science. Undeterred, she moved to Paris, endured poverty, and worked tirelessly in dim laboratories. Her perseverance led to the discovery of polonium and radium, revolutionizing medicine and inspiring generations. Curie's story demonstrates that curiosity and persistence can overcome adversity, building profound confidence. Learning also cultivates humility, resilience, and gratitude, the roots of lasting confidence. Each book read, course taken, or reflection made strengthens our ability to face life's complexities. Lifelong learning keeps the mind sharp and the spirit youthful, proving that continuous effort yields long-term benefits. Confidence nourished by knowledge becomes unshakable, guiding us through uncertainty with clarity and courage. 2. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful force that nurtures happiness and strengthens confidence. When we appreciate life's blessings, even small ones, we shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance. Stoic philosophy and modern psychology agree. Gratitude enhances mental health, deepens relationships, and fosters resilience. Dr. Amy Keller emphasizes that living with purpose and gratitude reinforces self-worth and joy. Consider Sarah, a young bank employee who faced professional setbacks and felt hopeless. Instead of succumbing to despair, she began a gratitude journal, writing 3 things each evening for which she was thankful. Over time, she realized that while she could not control every circumstance, she could control her outlook. This practice transformed her mindset, helping her see challenges as lessons and restoring her confidence. Gratitude also strengthens social bonds. Expressing thanks to others fosters respect and encouragement, creating networks of support essential for confidence. Even small acts, like saying thank you or writing a note, can uplift both giver and receiver. Spiritual traditions echo this wisdom. The Bible, for example, urges believers to give thanks for everything, Ephesians 5:20, reminding us that gratitude is integral to humility and faith. By practicing gratitude daily, we cultivate peace, resilience, and confidence. Each acknowledgement of goodness becomes a step towards self-improvement and inner strength. 3. Know and live by your personal values. In a complex and demanding world, confidence often falters when we lose sight of our identity and values. Stoic philosophy teaches that living according to personal values creates stability and strength, acting as a fortress against external pressures. When we know what we stand for, decisions gain clarity and confidence grows, not from arrogance, but from integrity. Samson, a young manager at a technology company, exemplifies this principle. When he discovered a serious flaw in a product about to launch, he faced pressure to conceal it. Reporting the issue risked delays and financial losses, yet Samson chose honesty and transparency. His decision reinforced his values and inspired accountability throughout the company. By living ethically, he not only preserved his confidence, but also influenced others positively. Values are not abstract ideals, but daily commitments. Acting with integrity fosters self-respect and strengthens relationships. Though living by values can be challenging and sometimes isolating, perseverance builds resilience. Stoics remind us that ethics is not merely social convention, but a source of inner strength. To maintain confidence, self-reflection is essential. Asking, "Am I true to my values?" ensures growth and alignment. Confidence rooted in values becomes unshakable, guiding us through life's storms with clarity, purpose, and dignity. 4. Grow your humility. Many struggle to balance humility with confidence, fearing that humility diminishes strength or visibility. Yet Stoic philosophy teaches that humility and confidence are not opposites, but complementary virtues. True confidence arises from understanding one's abilities and limits, while humility ensures we remain grounded and open to learning. Vivian, for example, leaned toward humility to avoid arrogance, choosing invisibility over self-assertion. While her intention was noble, Stoicism suggests that humility should not erase confidence, but refine it. Marcus Aurelius advised self-assessment and recognition of limits, reminding us that achievements should not lead to arrogance. Consider a business leader who expands internationally, yet credits their team and seeks lessons from competitors. This balance demonstrates confidence in leadership and humility in acknowledging collaboration. Such harmony earns respect and fosters growth. For Christians, humility also reflects faith, recognizing that talents and successes are gifts from God. Confidence then is trust in His guidance, even amid challenges. By embracing humility alongside confidence, we build a solid identity resilient to external praise or criticism. This balance inspires others and strengthens relationships. Humility tempers pride, while confidence affirms worth. Together they create a meaningful life rooted in respect, resilience, and enduring strength. 5. Build up your toughness. Resilience is essential for rebuilding confidence after setbacks. It is not merely physical endurance, but mental strength, patience, and acceptance of life's unpredictability. Stoic philosophy emphasizes humility as a foundation for resilience, teaching us to recognize that not everything is within our control. Imagine working diligently on a project only to face failure due to uncontrollable factors, bad weather, or a colleague's illness. Such disappointments can erode confidence. Yet, humility allows us to accept these realities without blame, focusing instead on lessons learned. This perspective transforms obstacles into opportunities for growth. Resilience requires patience and self-awareness. By acknowledging limits, we free ourselves from unnecessary pressure and anxiety. Stoics remind us that life rarely unfolds as we wish, but acceptance of this truth strengthens our spirit. Confidence grows when we face challenges calmly, understanding that setbacks are temporary and instructive. Resilience also inspires others. When we endure difficulties with composure, we model strength and encourage those around us. Confidence built on resilience is not fragile, but enduring, capable of withstanding adversity. By cultivating humility and patience, we develop toughness that restores confidence. Resilience becomes a shield against despair, guiding us forward with optimism and courage, even in the face of life's uncertainties. 6. Understand that some things can't be changed. Acceptance is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy and a vital step in restoring confidence. It is not passive resignation, but courageous acknowledgement of reality. By recognizing what cannot be controlled, events, circumstances, or others' actions, we free ourselves from unnecessary anxiety and focus on what we can change. Consider someone who loses a beloved job due to an unfair managerial decision. Initial reactions may include disappointment and self-blame. Yet dwelling on these emotions offers no solution. Acceptance of the unchangeable opens the door to new opportunities and personal growth. This shift transforms despair into resilience. Stoics teach that acceptance brings mental freedom, allowing us to concentrate on meaningful actions. Similarly, spiritual traditions affirm that while some things lie beyond our control, we retain the power to choose our responses. Acceptance, therefore, is not surrender but empowerment. Confidence grows when we stop resisting reality and instead adapt with courage. By focusing on controllable aspects, our choices, attitudes, and efforts, we build strength and peace of mind. Acceptance reduces pressure, nurtures resilience, and fosters clarity. Ultimately, acceptance is the first step toward contentment. It enables us to move forward decisively, facing challenges with calm determination. Confidence, rooted in acceptance, becomes enduring, guiding us through life's chaos with steadfast courage. Conclusion. Confidence is not a pursuit of perfection or external approval, but a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and growth. Stoic philosophy reminds us that confidence arises from learning, gratitude, values, humility, resilience, and acceptance. Each principle offers practical guidance to rebuild strength and clarity, transforming doubt into determination. The examples of Marie Curie, Sarah, Samson, and others illustrate that confidence is cultivated through perseverance, integrity, and perspective. Challenges, though inevitable, become opportunities for growth when approached with wisdom and courage. By embracing these Stoic lessons, we nurture confidence that endures beyond circumstances, rooted in inner stability and purpose. Every small step, whether practicing gratitude, reflecting on values, or accepting reality, contributes to lasting confidence. This journey is ongoing, requiring patience and commitment. With Stoic guidance, we can face life's storms with resilience, illuminate our path with courage, and inspire others to walk confidently toward fulfillment and success.